Hey guys, Imran here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got the Apple Watch Ultra. This is Apple's newest watch and their most rugged watch to date. And we're going to take a look at this, unbox it, and get some initial impressions. Right off the bat, you can see this is not meant to be worn indoors. Strap I got was the orange Alpine Loop. This one looked really nice. I really like the color in the pictures anyway. So let's try this on. The display looks awesome. It looks really slick, being just flat. Honestly, I wish all the Apple Watches had like a flat display like this. It definitely does not feel that heavy, which is nice. This thing looks dope. Love the orange. Really nice color. And you know, it's big, okay? It's a decent size, but it actually doesn't feel as big as I thought it might. And this looks pretty awesome. I like this a lot. I like this a lot more than I thought I would. I am surprised by how cool this looks. And it just looks like military or something. I thought it was gonna be just way too big, but I don't know, it kind of works. I mean, I guess it depends on your wrist size a little bit, but I mean, you know, it's bigger. It's definitely bigger than my other Apple Watch, but something about the size and the flat display is like really drawing me in to this. So some of the new features of the Apple Watch Ultra are we get a flat display, which looks amazing. It's a 49mm case, so it's a larger display. And you also have a 2000 nit display, so it's twice as bright as the Series 8. And it's made of titanium, so it's really durable. It's actually pretty light for its size. It has an extra button on the side, which they call the action button, which you can customize to different things depending on what you want. You get 100 meters of water resistance, which the Series 8 has 50 meters. Now, I've never used probably even 10 meters, so this is not something I probably would use, but it's there if you are somebody who, you know, maybe goes diving and things like that. It's got an 86 decibel siren to attract attention if you're out lost somewhere. It's audible up to 600 feet. So yeah, I'm not gonna test it indoors. Now, one of the features that really was impressive to me is the 36-hour battery life. That's literally double the Series 8, which has 18 hours. So that's gonna be really nice, especially if you are just using it out and about for 2 or 3 days at a time. Just to have that extra battery life is pretty awesome. So my initial impressions are, this just looks really, really good. I am surprised at how much I like this. The flat display, the size is actually not as big as I thought it would be, and I think it fits fine on my wrist. For context, I've always been wearing the larger size watches, so the 45, the 44. And those have suited my wrist fine. So I think if you have a smaller wrist, it might look a little big, but you know, some people like bigger watches, and Apple does make small strap sizes for the Ultra. So pretty much anybody can wear this watch. It's just kind of personal preference. Even though I'm not like an outdoorsy type of person, just the fact that you get extra battery life and better display, larger display. I mean, some of these features really are pretty cool. I think I'm gonna test out if I wanna actually work out in the gym, or you know, I play tennis and that kind of stuff with it. But yeah, you know, I expected to actually just get a Series 8, but after seeing this, I'm not so sure. So I'll keep you guys posted. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.